Welcome back everyone. Today we will continue our lecture. Today we will study about the second People's Movement 2062-2063 in Nepal. We will continue our lecture. This is the peace agreement signing between the Maoist and the multi-party system. After 18th August 2059, Gyanendra became the rule at his will by making the Lokendra Bahadur Chand the Prime Minister at one time and Surya Bahadur Thapa at another time. Leveling his royal aggressions, the five parties together with the Nepali Congress, CPM-MML started their protest program to create the pressure. On 18th Asar, King Gyanendra, with a royal decree to hold the election of the House of Representatives within the end of Chaitra 2061, reappointed Sher Bahadur Deva as a Prime Minister. The government was kicked out by 19th March and direct rule of King Gyanendra began. After the 19th March, an alliance for the movement of seven party by including the Nepali Congress, Democratic and United Left Front 2 was formed against the rule of royal rule. The alliance in the Baisakh 2062 made public its common understanding and committed that they agree to reach of the Constitution Assembly to give the political outlet to the armed revolt of CPM Maoist through the path of reinstalling the House of Representatives. After the King Gyanendra had started his autocratic and direct rule for the second time on March 19, 2061, Nepali Congress, CPM, Nepali Congress Democratic, People's Front Nepal, Nepal Labour and Peasant Party, Nepal Sadbhavana Party, Anandi Devi and United Leftist Front formed the seven party alliance for the first time on 25th Baisakh 2062 to protest against the King Gyanendra rule. The 12-point accords was made in the New Delhi, India among the Nepali Congress, CPM and CPN Maoist on 7th Mansi 2062. The alliance became eighth party alliance after seeing in the peace accords and formation of interim legislature party with the participation of CPM Maoist. Subsequent to this, comprehensive peace accords was signed between the seven parties government and CPM parties on 5th March 2063. This is the photo of Second People's Movement 2063-62. The immense participation of Nepalese peoples in this peaceful People's Movement 2062-63 on the 19th for 19 days from Chaitra 24 2063 to 11th Baishakh 2063 has taken its decisive point. As a result of the interim constitutions of Nepal 2063 was promulgated on 1st March 2063 as per the agreement reached among the seven parties who were mandated with their responsibility to manage the current political transition and to conduct the election of Constitution Assembly. The date for the election of Constitution Assembly was fixed on 28th July 2064 for the third time. The seven political parties declared holding the election for the Constitution Assembly with the month of Chaitra after they had made 23-point agreement of in 8th post 2064. A historic elections for the Constitute Assembly was held in 28th Chaitra 2064 BS. There was total to 601 members in the Constitute Assembly. Out of these, 335 members were elected through the propor- proportionate system, 240 members from the direct electoral system, and the rest 26 members appointed by the Council of Ministers. The first meeting of the Constitution Assembly was held in 2065. 15th just declared Nepal the Republic. Dr. Ram Baran Yadav elected as first president and Paramanand Jha, the vice president, on 2065 BS 15th Gist. The first elected person, Nepal was declared as republic. So we'll meet you in the next section with the new topic, the constitution evolution of the Nepal after this. So thank you for listening the lecture. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.